Hello everyone, welcome to Monica Monet Collection. I am Monica and I appreciate you for taking the time out to watch my video. If this is your first time, welcome, and go ahead on and push that subscribe button and like button and become a part of this family. If you are already a family member, you know I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Let's create. Here are the supplies you would need. The first thing I'm going to do is measure my rope around my mirror. Then I'm going to cut my rope. Next, I'm going to glue my rope around my mirror. After I finish gluing my rope around my mirror, the next thing I'm going to do is create a beautiful bow to put on top of my mirror. I love this type of bow because it has a stiff lining in it, which makes the bow so much easier to create. Okay, after I finish gluing on my bow, now it's time for me to glue my word on top of my mirror. The first word I am cutting out is grateful. I would like to share a quote with you that I read. The most beautiful way to start and end the day is with a grateful heart. That is so beautiful. Family, I'm grateful just to wake up and know I have another chance at life. So just be grateful and enjoy the little things. I'm using my Podge glue to glue my word onto my mirror so it won't come off. Okay, for my second mirror, what I'm going to do is remove my mirror. Then I'm going to trace a circle onto my display board. I'm going to cut it out, and then I'm going to glue my display board onto my frame. Fam, if you are looking at my nails right now, please go over to Beauty Nails by Monica on Instagram and watch how I decorate one of my nails. Okay, after I finish putting glue on my board and then attaching the back onto the mirror, I'm going to flip it over. Then I'm going to measure my rope again, cut it out. And the next thing I'm going to do is glue my rope once again around my frame. Okay, the word that I'm going to put on my board is blessed. I want to share this proverb with you. Proverbs 16:20. Blessed is he who trusts in the Lord. Amen. Raise your hand up if you ever said, I am too blessed to be stressed. I want to take the time out and just pray for all the families that got hit by Hurricane Hannah. I have a co-worker that showed me pictures of Mexico that got hit very hard. She showed me where the churches, the hospitals, her relatives' home was just half filled with water. So I want to pray for her family and all the families that got hit by Hurricane Hannah. After I finish gluing the bow onto the frame, the next thing I'm going to do is finish my third mirror, and the word that I put on the mirror is thankful. And you guys, I am so thankful for everything that I have. I thank God for my health, my job, my family, and most of all, I thank God that you guys are coming by my channel and watching it each and every time I upload a video. I really am appreciative and thank you. And I just want to share one more Psalms with you guys, and Psalms 118 verse 1 say, "Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for he is good, because his mercy endureth forever." Okay, I decided to add a little greenery to my frame that has blessed on it. Okay, to hold the frame together, I decided to cut out 2 pieces of ribbon. To secure them into place, I place my ribbon on my display board. I trace the ribbon. I cut it out. I glue the ribbon on top of the board. Then I put some glue on the top and the bottom, and I connected both of my mirror and my bless sign. Then I repeated the step. You can put as much glue as you need to secure the frames in place, and then let it sit for about 15 minutes and let the glue dry. In order to hang these mirrors, what I did was I took a piece of rope, I measured, I cut out, then I glued it to the top of the mirror. Again, put as much glue as you would like to hold it into place. Okay, I am finished. It looks so beautiful on my wall. I just love it. At the bottom, please comment, "I'm grateful, blessed, and thankful." Until next time, be careful and stay safe, family.